Open kitchen designs are a popular trend in modern homes, offering a seamless flow between cooking, dining, and living areas. These layouts not only enhance the visual space but also create a warm and inviting environment that encourages social interaction. Whether you have a compact apartment or a spacious home, open kitchens can be tailored to fit any space with style and functionality. One of the best open kitchen ideas is incorporating a large kitchen island. It serves multiple purposes, from food preparation and extra storage to a casual dining area or a social spot where family and guests can gather. Islands with built-in sinks or stovetops also enhance efficiency while keeping the design sleek and modern. For added elegance, pair your island with pendant lights to create a visual focal point and brighten up the space. Another stylish approach is using natural materials like wood and stone. These elements bring warmth and character to your kitchen, while open shelving adds an airy feel and gives easy access to frequently used items for a minimalist look. Handleless cabinets and concealed appliances help maintain a clean, clutter-free design that blends effortlessly with your living area. Color schemes also play a vital role in open kitchen designs. Neutral tones such as white, beige, and soft gray create a spacious, bright feel, while darker hues like navy or forest green add sophistication. You can also add a pop of color through bar stools, backsplashes, or decorative items to personalize the space. To define zones within your open kitchen without putting up walls, use flooring changes or lighting differences. For example, a tiled kitchen area transitioning into a wooden floor in the living room creates a subtle but effective separation. Rugs under the dining table or a statement chandelier above the island